Hey, it's Misako. Today I'm fixing the car from now on. So first, we unscrew here and here.
Go.
Oh shit, I damaged the screw. So I broke the screw, now I'm trying a different route.
Oh shit, you're gonna break that one too?
Get husband to do it. Come on.
Let's go to Maeda's.
I broke as well?
Yeah, let's go to Maeda's. That's screwdriver.
Yeah, husband got it. He's a Superman. Next, I just take this off. It's difficult. Let me try now. Got it. Okay, see. Yep, this is a new one. So look at this. Exactly same. We can fix. Yep, 1, 2, and 3. That's it. Then I put this in. Yeah, husband is trying to.
Got it.
Do you have one more screw? Then I screw this again. Done. Job finished. I can fix your car.